Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you why you need this backlit tracing box. I love this LitEnergy backlit LED tracing light box. I love that it's only powered by this one little USB cable, so super easy, super portable, but it is such a ultra bright LED light in there. You can have it as bright or dim as you want because it does have an awesome sensor touch button design. So if I hold it down, it's going to go all the way bright. I can turn it off, but then when I go to turn it back on, you can just hold it very briefly and it'll be slightly more dim. So I love that it has that control depending on what light you're in. I personally like to use it for diamond art. I'm not an artist at all, but I find it hard sometimes to see the little bitty numbers and letters. So I love putting this under it, and it gives it that backlit look that I need, and I'm able to see so much better. I love having this to just kind of wind down and relax. Some people color, some people do other things, but I am a diamond art girl all the way. So I love that this is so portable too. It's so light and ultra thin. I can take it anywhere I want. I can throw it in my bag, and it's even got these little foam pads on it so it's not going to slip around. Just an all over great design. I love having it for whatever project that I am working on. This light up tracing box is so nice to have if you want to do any kind of art project, whether it's drawing, painting, or diamond art. So I would highly suggest it, and that is my point of view.